Randy from BellissiMoto here with a 2024 Ducati Panigale V4R. Not just any V4R, but one we just finished installing an FM Projects full titanium racing exhaust. Look at these beautiful titanium headers, already starting to get some color. This is a beautiful bike. It's a very fast bike, and we're gonna fire it up and let you hear it right here, right now. Now, in addition to the new exhaust, we also helped out with the tuning. We added a BellissiMoto Stage 1 and Stage 2 kit. Woo! Gnarly. I mean, that's idle. Yeah, you can hear the clutch rattle, but you're really hearing that exhaust. All right, let's rev it up. Holy cow. This is an impressive sound. This bike, the FM Project exhaust, always sounded really good. It was always one of my favorites. I've never heard it on an R before. It's louder, it's nastier. I like it. I like it a lot. Very impressed. Barely giving it any throttle. Woo! Guys, that's as mean as it gets. This is pure MotoGP, pure World Superbike. It's beautiful, it's high performance, it's available. Make it yours today. And take note, they do not come. I'll turn it off so you can hear me just a little bit better. Take note of this. The FM Project exhaust, it does not come with any shielding, any exhaust guarding. And I want you to see what this customer did. This is the OEM, the original carbon fiber heat shield that came with the V4R. And all he did was trim it back to make room for the FM Project exhaust. Works great, does a great job. I feel virtually no heat here at all. Really, I mean, nothing. It's great. Does a great job. Well done, sir. Well done. We installed the exhaust. He carved his heat shield and put that on himself, and really I commend him for that. Tuning is done. Lyle just took this bike for a test ride. Said it rode very well, was very, very fast. The engine just spools up super quick. He rode in on his EBR 1190 RX, which is a very different machine. But what can I say? He loved them both. And we have nothing but praise for the Panigale V4. Really, take that praise, double it for the R. It's a crazy impressive bike. And you can make it even better with one stop at your favorite parts, gear, and accessory store, BellissiMoto. You want to hear it just one more time? I kind of do. Just for fun. Aw, shucks. Valet service.